Om Namo Narayanaya. May Lord Vishnu bless you all with good luck, good health and prosperity in your lives. Welcome to Pure Vedic Gems, dear friends. Why do we wear gemstones? Or what result does gemstones gives in our lives? Or how the gemstones that people are wearing nowadays, how do they work in our lives? That is what we would be educating our viewers today. Basically, the gemstones, especially the ASTRO-RASHI gemstones or the Jyotish standard gemstones, are highly concentrated form of their respective planetary energies. In a simple way, we can understand that the gemstones are a kind of batteries of their respective planets. Whatever uh, energy that we are receiving naturally from the planets, from the different planets, uh, through our brain. Actually, our body reacts or is controlled by the 9 planets. All the living organisms' lives are said in the ancient sacred texts that they are controlled by the 9 planets which have been mentioned in our ancient sacred Jyotish texts. These 9 planets, they radiate their energies in the nature, and our brain, like it is shown in this diagram, the different parts of our brain absorbs these different vibrations of energies that are there in the nature of different planets, and these different energies through our brain are channelized into the different chakras of our body. And these different chakras, they control the different um, aspects of our life, that they control the different functions of our body, mind, and also the subconscious mind. So a yellow sapphire is a concentrated form of the planetary energies of its respective planet Jupiter. A blue sapphire is a concentrated form of its planetary energies of planet Saturn. Similarly, all the 9 Navratnas, as we say in our Jyotish science, relate to the 9 different planets that controls the major aspects of our life. We should wear the gemstones of those planets that are giving positive results in our lives. We have explained in detail in our other videos how you can know what are the planets which are positive for you, what are the planets which are negative for you, and what are your neutral planets. In our other videos, we have explained in detail the most accurate way or the ancient Vedic way of knowing through the horoscope what are the actually beneficial planets in our lives. We should wear these gemstones of our beneficial planets only, because gemstones simply, which are highly concentrated form of their respective planetary energies, they simply enhance that planet's energies into our lives, and then with the enhancement of those energies, those respective planets role increases in our lives. Suppose for a person, moon is a very favorable planet, and moon is controlling the health aspect of that person. So if that person would be wearing a pearl, which is the Vedic gemstone for planet Moon, then the Moon's energies would be enhanced in that person's life, and he would be having improvement in his health life. Similarly, if a planet is related to your career and it's a beneficial planet for your career, and if you wear a gemstone of that respective planet, the career aspects of that person's life improves. Now these gemstones, they transfer the energies into our body, absorbing them from the nature in the form of vibrations. They are highly active substances. If you test or check a gemstone by the energy testing meters or the aura testing equipments, we can find out that a good quality gemstone is a highly energized and a highly active thing. That is why it needs to be purified and energized by the proper mantras. They enhance the vibrations of these gemstones. They, in the form of vibrations and in the form of color therapy, the gemstones, they absorb the nature's energies or rays of their respective planets and enhances them and filters them and transfers them into our bodies. That is why the finger in which each gemstone is to be worn is very important, because each and every finger's respective vein goes and gets connected to the different parts of our brain, which we explained just now. The brain is the starting point through which we naturally absorb the planetary energies. So if we have to enhance a particular planet's energy into our lives, their respective finger in which that gemstone is to be worn is has to be selected very carefully. The gemstone is supposed to be of a good color and a good transparency. It has to be Jyotish standard gemstone. We have explained in our other videos in detail what are actually Jyotish standard gemstones. So kindly visit our other videos and do understand carefully what are the Jyotish standard gemstones and what is the right method of knowing what gemstones are to be worn. What are the right methods of knowing what are your beneficial planets. So gemstones are simply energy filtering and channelizing things that absorb and channelize their respective planets' energies into our body. The different planets, they control the different aspects of our lives, and after getting our horoscope analyzed by genuine Vedic astrologers, we should decide what are our favorable planets, and we should wear only Jyotish standard gemstones only. Then only we would be getting the 100% results from the gemstones in our lives. Thank you very much.